Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Kinah. Today I'm going to be unboxing the February 2022 TheHoneyBShop Babe Box. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so let's get into this washi first. We got two rolls of washi. One is a 15mm, one is a 10. They both have this pretty purple ombre cloud design here. And the entire kit, as you I'm sure have seen by now, has the hollow foil. So that is the 15mm roll, and here is the 10. Let me zoom in for you because those are pretty. So that's our washi for the month. Next up, what do I grab? It's also pretty. Y'all, TheHoneyBShop has quickly turned into one of my favorite subs. Next, we've got our die cut stickers. Let's go ahead and get these laid out for y'all. So we've got that pretty flower. Y'all, look at the flower with the hollow. Look how pretty that is. Ooh. Okay, VIP of the Adult Sticker Collectors Club. Okay. We've got lightning bolt, getting our Harry Potter on. We've got messages. We've got my sis over here, sis over there. Oh, we got multiples. I like that. I like it. Y'all, look at this. So many. Do y'all see sis with the skin? Look at this. She ain't play too much. You know she played too much. Look at it. Don't burn out on the candle. We got sis in all the skin tones. We got all kinds of everything, girl. Y'all, official member of the Self-Love Club. Sis is reading and minding her damn business. And that's what I'm here for. Y'all, look at these. Oh, that one's bigger than the others. Cute. We doing yoga. Oh, that one's bigger. Oh, look at that. So those are our die cuts for the month. All right, next let's go ahead and get into this deck of cards, y'all. We have 52 foiled affirmation cards. On the back it says 52 affirmation cards to remind you of your worth. Ways to use this deck: read one card out loud every day and carry the feeling with you. Shuffle the deck and pull one card as needed to receive your message. Display your favorite affirmation cards for a constant reminder. So let's go ahead and go through this. It's a thick deck. I promise I'm gonna do this quick. I'm not gonna read all of this. We'll be here all day. So we have plenty of affirmation cards, y'all, and they are thick, and you're gonna have to do some major damage in order, some major craziness in order to really damage these. And I like that they're super sturdy. Just bent, not broken. Okay. All right, y'all, 52 foiled affirmation cards. Love it. Shuffle them up because I'm sure we'll be using mine. So this is the affirmation card set in this month's kit. Next up, y'all, we have a sticker album, and it literally says VIP of the Adult Sticker Collectors Club, and I'm here for that. I am VIP. I am the president, El Presidente. Okay, let's get this open. So we've got the side loading pockets, one on each side, and we have plenty of pockets for all of the things, y'all. Fold it over, and it's even got a spot on the spine for you to get a label on there. I know for a fact that Shan sells or has sold these in her shop, and she might still have some there, but go ahead and check it out. This is the sticker album. Next up, I believe this is a journal, but let's get it open to be sure. Okay, official member of the Self-Love Club. So we the VIP of the Adult Sticker Club and the an official member of the Self-Love Club. So look at that pretty foil. It says this journal belongs to. Here we've got morning intentions. So each page has a day for you to list your morning intentions. I'm filled with gratitude. Today's goals, brain dump, today's focus. It even has a spot for your mood. And down here at the bottom we have evening reflections. What was the highlight of my day? What was not so good today? What can I change to make tomorrow better? What are my plans for tomorrow? And notes. I like this. I just need it in a slightly larger version. Shannon, can we get that, please? Pretty please. Alright, so that is the Self-Love Journal. Next up, we've got some clear holographic journaling cards. These are cute, y'all. Look at that. It says, don't burn out. It's going to be super hard for y'all to see that. It's going to be super hard for the camera to pick it up and for y'all to see it against this white desktop. So let's see. You know what? Let's use the back of the journal. There we go. Don't burn out. And then the other says Self-Love Club. Isn't that pretty? Alright, so those are our journaling cards. Next, let's get into this sticker book, y'all. 10 pages on the sticker book. So, let's get this open. First page, we've got some full boxes at the top, checklists. Ooh, look at that washi down there. These little boxes. I just love them. And then we've got some deco. We've got our ladies doing their random self-love things. We got half boxes, quarter boxes, some squovels. We've got some headers. We've got morning routine, evening routine, and today's intentions. Read. We've got our phone there. Got some pillows and some candles. Very important stuff. Unplug and early bedtime. This is it right here. This is the problem. This is the only problem. Can't get to bed. We've got therapy, take your meds, journal, appointment, mood trackers, habit trackers. We've got journal, and it says positive affirmations in that arch. Next, we've got skincare, self-love club. We've got our makeup here and some lightning bolts. We've got our skincare materials, some more makeup, and a jade ruler. Pamper and Nourish face mask, manicure, pedicure, hair appointment. We've got our daily self-love. We've got some headouts. Goodness. We've got headers that say workout, meditate, stretch, go for a walk, drink your water, exercise. We've got our Apple Watch to track our steps here. We've got some dumbbells, some sneakers, our water bottle says yoga, hydrate. We got our planner card, y'all. Let me know what y'all use this sticker for if you have the Babe box. I have not been able to find pictures of other people using their stickers, and I'd love to see it. We've got our kind of Hobonichi setup here, very small for a smaller planner. And then we've got our 2 sets of date covers. We've got our headers, this week wellness, next week more habit trackers. We've got our meal trackers, money trackers, credit card icons. What is that? This looks like a notebook. Our planners, plan month. We've got our pen, setup planner date, and we've got our date dots. So that is the sticker book, 10-page sticker book. Cute. Next, we got some extra stickers over here. Let's get this open. And we've got full boxes, dreams and schemes. I love that. Visualize your highest self and start showing up for them. Oh, it's the same sheet with all the skin tones. I love it. Y'all, I love this box. I love the box. So, these are our extra sticker sheets. And then, last but not least, we have some rainbow window clings. Did I see that right? Rainbow? It does say rainbow window clings. So, I see why it has that finish that would create a rainbow when the sun hits it. So, this one says, official member of the Self-Love Club. And this one says, believe in your dreams. So these are the rainbow window clings. Alrighty, here is the February 2022. Did I say 2021 when I opened this video? Goodness. February 2021 TheHoneyBShop Babe Box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.